You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just filmed an about me. I've been meaning to film that for a while, so make sure you look out for that. That'll be going live probably before this video, so I'll link it. You guys are propped up on a Target box. But I'm going to just pop in some chili for dinner tonight and then go run a few errands. I'm gonna go over to Costco. I went the other day, but they didn't have everything that I needed, so I figured I'll take y'all with me. I've been meaning to do that. I wanted to show you some of the things that I get at Costco. So yeah, I figured we'll walk around. It's like the middle of the day, so hopefully Costco isn't super packed, and that way I can take out my camera and not look like, not look weird. I just got this a couple of months ago. I want to say in like January at Walmart. It's the Pioneer Woman crock pot. This was like $15, I want to say. This was so cheap. I don't know if I got it like on clearance or on sale, but it's really nice, like lightweight. You can like remove this, which is nice. I will never get a crock pot where you can't remove the insert, because that is just like a pain in the neck to clean. So yeah, I got one for myself. I got one for my parents because, I don't know, I thought it was nice. So I'm just gonna put some crock pot chili in, and yeah, it's a beautiful day. I finally put makeup on today and I feel like a new woman. I haven't put makeup on in like 4 days and I felt like every time I looked at myself, I was like, ew. Like I just was starting to feel like kind of like gross, you know? And then, you know that feeling like when you haven't put makeup on in a while and then you finally put it on and you're like, oh, like I actually can feel good. That's how I'm feeling right now. So anyway, I'm just gonna throw this in real quick. And then we are gonna get ourselves together and we're gonna go to Costco. You girls gonna watch the house while mommy goes to Costco? Oh, you gonna watch the house? Yeah? I love their new haircuts. I just posted a new picture of them. Was it this morning or last night on Instagram? Oh, you're so cute. Look at your little bandana for Easter. Yeah? Okay guys, we just got to Costco, so I'm gonna take you guys with me, show you all the things that I like to get here. We're not doing a full shopping haul. I just came here the other day, just getting a couple of things, but I'll still show you guys what I like to get. So let's hope it's not super crazy in here. It's like 3 o'clock, so it really shouldn't be, but we'll see. If you are looking for patio furniture, Costco is a great place to come this time of year. They have a bunch of different options. I love this little thing over here, this little cabana. How cute is that? I would love this. Guys, this thing is on sale right now. This is a mop system from O Cedar. I actually have this and it is on sale right now for $28.99. This thing works so well. Basically, you put the mop in this section and pump the little pedal and it wrings it out. It works so well. It's super easy for transporting down to your basement or keeping it out in your garage. It also comes with 3 extra refills of the mops. You can just put these in the dishwasher or the washing machine and it works super well. So make sure you check this out. This sale is going on until April 7th. These are something else that I always get at Costco, the Reynolds Wrap aluminum foil, the heavy duty. I love the heavy duty. It makes such a difference. It doesn't rip very easily. This is a massive roll. It's 150 square feet and it's pretty long. The only thing I would say is this doesn't fit in my drawer because it's so long, but I do really like it. It's $5 off right now for 2 rolls, making it $10.99. This deal is also going on until April 7th, so make sure that you guys check this out if you are in need some of aluminum foil going into the spring and summer, especially for barbecues. Flowers are something that people overlook to get at Costco, but you can get 2 dozen roses for $17.99. Another place that I love to get flowers is Trader Joe's, but Costco is also such a great option. These beautiful bouquets are only $14.99, so if you're going over to someone's house or you just want to add a nice little display to your home, this is a really great place to check out the flower selection. I'll typically get my Downy Unstoppables here at Costco. I wait till it goes on sale though. Typically they'll mark it down like $3, $3 or $4, and it's like $10 for this huge thing. I love throwing this stuff into our clothing. Makes everything smell so good. I don't put it on our towels, but this is a great place to get it. Just wait till it goes on sale. Y'all, don't overlook the clothes at Costco. They have some really nice options. I love this 32 Degree brand. They make it for both men and women. These really nice golf shirts for men are only $9.99. Like, you cannot go wrong. And then these shirts over here at $12.99, I actually picked this up for Steven. It's just a short sleeve, really nice lightweight woven shirt for going out or just going out to dinner, and this was only $12.99. I got it for Steven, like I said, when I was here the other day, and I brought it home and he loved it. So make sure you guys check this out. Spring, summer, all seasons, they have different things. They have a lot of great brands that come through here too. I'm gonna bring you guys to the other side of the store. They have David Bitten Buffalo. So let me show you guys over there in the girl section. So here's what I bought when I was here the other day. This really cute white denim jacket. It is by the brand Buffalo by David Bitten, and it's on sale right now for $15.99 through April 7th. It is such a nice, lightweight, comfortable jacket. I got a medium. Actually, no, I got a small. It runs a little bit big. But they have it in white, they have it in denim. They also have jeans for, I think, the same price. No, they have jeans for, yeah, for $15.99. They have shirts down there for $9.99. So definitely make sure that you check out Costco right now for all of the spring clothing. They have a lot of stuff for kids. They have bathing suits. They have workout gear. I also have gotten sports bras here for such a great price, so definitely don't underestimate the clothing here. They have some really good finds. Okay, when I was here the other day, I already picked up some chicken breast, but chicken breast here is such a great deal. It definitely depends on where you live, but I find here in Florida, chicken breast can be so expensive. It breaks down to being $2.99 per pound, which I know some places you can probably find $1.99 per pound, but this stuff works out really good because it's perforated. You can cut them into little packets, and that way you could just take out a packet at a time and freeze it. So we definitely stock up on this. What I'm checking to see if they have this time around is the wings, because we were hoping to make wings this weekend. Let's see if they have it. They have drumsticks, they have thighs. Oh man, I don't think they have. Let's see. They also do the same thing for ground turkey and ground beef. They put everything in perforated packages, making it super easy to meal plan and just take things out of the freezer as you need them. Typically for wings, I like to get them when they're like on the styrofoam tray. They're not organic, but it looks like they may only have the organic ones right now. These are $2.59 a pound, and they come in the sections. You get 3 of these sections just for perspective, and they range anywhere between $14, $15, $16, just depending on the weight. So I may end up getting the organic ones if they don't have the regular ones. Okay, just confirmed they don't have the chicken wings, but this is another easy dinner option. For $4.99, you can get a rotisserie chicken. These are so good. They're also really good to reheat the next day and put on salad and bring to work. So this is definitely something that we do pretty frequently. We've had the ribs here before, and they're good. Typically about $15 or so for a rack of ribs. You could get wings already done up. Get about 2.5 pounds or so for 15 bucks. So we love the prepared food section here at Costco. Okay, making our way to the produce. You gotta be careful with produce at Costco. Not everything is that great of a deal. You may be able to get a better deal on some stuff at your grocery store with the weekly ad and everything. But one thing that is consistently a good price, I find, is bananas. You get 3 pounds of bananas for $1.29. If you prefer to get organic, it's $1.99 for 3 pounds, which is still a great deal. But every single time I come to Costco, I make sure that I stock up on bananas. This is something I picked up when I was here earlier this week, these mini chicken wontons. These are on sale right now through April 7th for $6.49. These are awesome and make a really good, easy dinner. And if you all are on Weight Watchers, you can eat 4 of these for 1 Weight Watchers point, which is awesome. So like I said, these are on sale for $6.49 until April 7th. So check these out. They're in the frozen section. Okay, back to produce. This is where you have to be careful. So these blueberries, you get 18-ounce of blueberries for $6.99. If you live in the South and you live near a Publix, they do a lot of buy one, get one deals. If you do the math, it ends up being a little bit cheaper at Publix. Over here for the grapes, they're on sale, not on sale, but they're $7.99 and you get about 4 pounds. That translates to being $1.99 a pound, which is the same price as it is on sale right now at Publix. So it really depends. I would say that in general, for certain things, it can be a little bit cheaper, but just make sure that you watch out for your weekly sales ads to see what the best price would be. Okay, this is a cult favorite. Y'all probably don't need me to tell you that this is a good deal, but I always stock up on paper towels probably every other time I come here. We're going through more paper towels now that there's 2 of us, but it is $16.49 for 12 rolls, and I honestly just like the Kirkland paper towels. They're thick and they're strong, and I like the size of them. So for every 100 square feet, it works out to be $1.60, whereas over here for the Bounty, and don't get me wrong, I do like Bounty and I do like the other name brand paper towels, but for every 100 square feet of Bounty, it's $3.16. So in general, the Kirkland paper towels are going to be a better deal. Okay, another favorite is the bath tissue by Kirkland. You get 30 rolls for $16.99. I feel like I only have to buy this like, I don't even know, every couple of months. It feels like it lasts forever, but it's definitely a great deal. Right now, Charmin is on sale for $17.99 through April 7th. So, I mean, it is still $1 more, and you're still getting more sheets and better price per square foot, I guess you could say, for the Kirkland bath tissue. But yeah, in general, I would say that this is always going to be a good deal. Another favorite y'all don't need me to tell you about is the Kirkland water. This is such a great deal. 40 bottles of water for $2.99. Works out to be 15 cents per bottle. You can't go wrong. I always stock up on this when I'm here. I've never tried these Izzy, I don't know how to pronounce it, these sparkling juices, but they're on sale for $10.29, again through April 7th. I think all the sales are going through April 7th. Let me guys know in the comments down below if you guys have tried this and if it's worth it. I've also never tried the Kirkland sparkling water. This looks like it's packaged, I'm sorry. Looks like it's packaged like the Ice brand. So let me know in the comments down below if y'all have tried this and if you think that it's worth it. Oh my god, stop. I want this so bad. You guys know I love bunnies. This is so adorable. It's this little statue with holding a little lantern. It's $38. If it was 20 bucks, I'd probably get it, but it's pretty big. Like, here's my forearm. It's like, I don't know how tall that is. 20 inches tall. It's on a 6-hour timer. That is just so cute. I love anything bunnies. This would look so cute on our front step. Aww. I love checking out these aisles just during holiday. These are like the seasonal aisles. This is where you're gonna find toys and gift wrap and seasonal decor during Christmas time, and then during the summer, like outdoor stuff, gardening, toys, pool floats, kayaks, you name it, it's all here. I love looking at this stuff though. So cute. I know a lot of people get wine here. I really can't comment. I don't drink wine. I'm actually allergic to it, so I can't comment, but they do appear to have a pretty large selection. Steven likes getting his golf gloves here. He says it's a good deal, so $17.99 for a 3-pack, and they can get your different sizes. I see small, medium, large, or you can get a medium/large or an extra large. It's by the brand Callaway. I have also heard that the Kirkland golf balls are pretty good. I saw them at the I saw them in the front of the store. They're not back here. Here they only have these Callaway golf balls, but the Kirkland ones, I want to say that they're made in like the same facility as like Titleist or something. I could totally be making that up. I'll get my facts straight and I'll insert a comment right here and let you know. I haven't actually personally tried these, but Style Mom XO swears by these. These are the automotive paper towels that she claims that you don't get like any rub marks or any like fuzzies, you know, from. They're on sale right now for $12.99. Again, oh, this actually is on sale through the 28th. You get how many? 10 rolls for $12.99. So Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried these and love them. She swears by them, so she makes me want to try them. Okay, I just got outside into the lawn and garden area. I got some flowers here actually when I was here earlier this week. I picked up these and they're on our front step right now and they look amazing. Just little begonias. But they have a great selection. These were only $12.99 and they come in a nice plastic pot. I feel like you just can't go wrong. If they're running sales at like Lowe's or Ace, like, you know, on some of the smaller plants you might be able to get a better deal somewhere else, but in general I would say that these deals are pretty good. They have a pretty decent selection. On the weekend, I would say, like when I came, it was swamped. So I would definitely come check out the lawn and garden section during the week if you can, because like I said, on the weekend, I like literally could not move my cart. Here's another great find that's on sale through April 14th. There are these 27-gallon totes. If you're trying to get your basement organized or your garage organized, this is a great option. These are on sale for $6.99. So yeah, this is a pretty good deal. Alright guys, well that is it. I hope you enjoyed shopping with me at Costco. I'm going to end the vlog here. All I ended up getting was 2 packages of bananas and then the organic chicken wings. Unfortunately, they didn't have the regular ones that I was looking for. But these were still a good deal and I needed them. So anyway, I will see you guys in my next video and let me know if you liked this format of video. And I'll make sure that I do more in the future. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!